Okay, folks, example number 2 here. It says find the midpoint. All right, I want the midpoint. Remember, the midpoint is the average point, the point that's directly in the middle of a line drawn between 2 points. Okay? And since it says midpoint, I know I'm going to want an x and a y. Right? Okay, let me get rid of that. I know it's going to look like this. I need an x and a y. And you'll remember what I told you to do for a midpoint. I'm just averaging the x's and averaging the y's. So if I take, to find the x is going to equal negative 10 plus 4 over 2. And the y is going to equal 7 plus 5 over 2. So let's see, the x is going to be negative 6 over 2. That's negative 3. And the y is going to be 12 over 2, which is equal to 6. Okay. Now, since we have some time on this example, let's just take a look. Let's see if that is the midpoint. All right? See what it looks like. It said negative 10, positive 7. So that's going to put me back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's going to put me right here. Okay? This is negative 10, 7. Okay, and then 4, 5 is going to put me 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to put me right here. All right, so this is 4, 5. Now, if I draw a little line between these points, I'm going to see how well I can do this. All right, I want to, no. Okay, let me put this here. All right, now let me draw a line between these points. Okay, there we go. Now, there's a line between those points. And I'm just guessing. I mean, looking at this, I would say that this looks like the midpoint. All right? And if I had to, and I'm not looking at what it should say, but that would be negative 1, 2, 3. All right, negative 3. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, man. Look at that. That's the point in the middle. Remember, for a midpoint, it's a point, so I need an x and a y. And I just average the x's, right? And I average the y's. And that tells me what the x and the y is of the midpoint. Done. Doesn't get easier. Good job, guys. See you at the example number 3.